Now there is an environmentally friendly, gentle, and respectful alternative process to return your deceased loved one to Mother Nature. The scientific name for this process is alkaline hydrolysis. A dilute solution of alkaline water is used to sympathetically reduce the body to ash. The combination of water flow, temperature, and alkalinity simply accelerates decomposition compared to a body laid to rest in the soil. On completion of alkaline hydrolysis, the ash remains are returned to the family. There are no emissions of mercury or other harmful greenhouse gases. The process creates a mere fraction of the carbon footprint and uses 90% less energy compared to burial or cremation. It does not require burning caskets. Almost 99% of the water used in the process is returned to the ecosystem, resulting in virtually zero water usage. The wastewater is a sterile solution of compounds naturally found in our bodies such as amino acids, sugars, nutrients, and salts. The remaining ash is also safe, 100% free of pathogens and disease. NPLT, a no-pressure, low-temperature technology, provides enhanced operational safety and promotes maximum environmental benefits. Alkaline hydrolysis is a proven and reliable process widely accepted by the medical community. The Mayo Clinic, numerous medical schools, teaching hospitals, and research labs have used it for more than 15 years to dispose of bodies donated to medical science. Search the internet for these topics: alkaline hydrolysis, green cremation, biocremation, aquamation, natural cremation, resumation, flameless cremation. And thank you for watching.